2026, and with each new year, like everyone else, I like to come up with goals. Being a creative person, I of course have creative ones. Besides focusing on YouTube, I realized that while I took a lot of photos last year, they were mostly documenting my life and what I was doing, which I love and I'll never stop doing, but I didn't set aside time to specifically go out and shoot just for the sake of it. I also have a lot of photography friends that I've been meaning to hang out with, but haven't because our schedules just never sync and life is just so busy. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. So this year, I'm gonna make a real effort to go out and shoot and hang out with my photo friends. To get that started, come shoot with me in Seattle with my homie Michael. And one more thing, make sure to stick around to the end of this video. I want to chat a little bit about the creative projects I've got going on. All right, let's go. Probably the best cafe in Seattle is Espresso Vivace in Capitol Hill. You have to get the Cafe Nico. It's their version of a cortado. I'll do a dedicated video on this place in the future, but it's quickly becoming my favorite meetup spot in the city. We didn't have a real plan other than Michael hadn't shot in the neighborhood before, so let's go. The houses surrounding Capitol Hill are some of my favorite in the city. The weather was classic Seattle, winter gray and rainy, so not the best conditions, but I made a mental note to come back in the summer and truly capture how beautiful this area is. We made our way to Volunteer Park, and as we arrived, we noticed a group of people stopped and watching a coyote. It was just slowly stalking a squirrel, not minding anyone that was watching, and it eventually actually caught the squirrel. We made it to the conservatory, which I highly recommend going to. It's beautiful in there and very well maintained. We wandered around and eventually found the water tower, which I'd never realized you could go inside and climb to the top of.
This is cool. And that's Seattle right there?
It had this amazing view. You could see the Space Needle. It was awesome. To cap off the day, we went to Glazers to buy some film. Glazers is basically Seattle's largest photography store. I had a lot of Christmas money left over, so I had to restock on all my favorite film. Go follow Michael, guys. He is so underrated, an incredible photographer. You won't regret it. Is there anything more fun than buying new houseplants? We went to Swanson's nursery, a favorite of ours, to grab a new plant or two. We didn't really know what to replace it with, but one of our favorite plants is the rubber tree. We have a pretty big one at home, and they're super easy to take care of, and we spotted these ruby colored ones, which were absolutely beautiful. So Jilly and I went for it. We also picked up some bulbs to plant for spring in our planter, and of course some smaller plants as well. You can just never have too many plants, honestly. It's always fun to buy new houseplants, and Swanson's is a great place to do it, and our plants are doing super well. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for your support. I'm really enjoying making these videos, but I'm definitely on a steep learning curve, and I'm going to keep trying to get better each video I make. I have a lot of creative projects that I've been wanting to do for a couple of years now. This is the year I've decided to just put it in action, and I'm going to do it. First thing being, I'm working on a new website. Part of that will be my first ever print shop, which I think I'm doing in a sort of unique way. We'll see how it pans out. And I'm also working on my first zine, which I'm very excited about. I've curated most of the pictures, and then I just need to get it all sorted. I'm documenting my journey through all these projects, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Hopefully I do a good job of it, and if you're interested, please subscribe if you wanna see that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.